Today is December 7th and we are at Montana Gamez, observing the volcano here on La Palma, and this is how it looks today. Let's zoom in and take a better look at this volcanic edifice. See, smoke is going into the skies. It's a big ash cloud, ash plume. See, it's like a train, steam train. Very high, it's going into there, maybe 2 kilometers up. And nice weather today, fabulous weather conditions. This is the best weather day since I came here in 10 days. Now I'll be 10 days on La Palma total, and this is how it looks today. So this is Takande village here, and it's very close to the volcano. Lava is coming from the volcano, and you can see it there. You see it's flowing on the other side. And rivers, lava rivers, it's running down there. You see today on December 7th, lava still going on the other side. There is the village of Hedey on the other side. And Las Manchas, that's where the lava is going. Las Manchas, Puerto knows that direction. See, it's Las Manchas, it's some destroying new houses there. You'll see it better from the drone video. And here you see Agro Rincon in the middle of the lava fields. See, first time when I came here in October, lava was not, well, lava was just next to Agro Rincon, but there was no lava here in front. You see, this all lava here arrived basically in 1 month's time. And this is Tahuya. This neighborhood here is called Tahuya. This church of Tahuya, Sagrada Familia Church, that's where we go to see the volcano now. But now they made it so complicated because they closed this parking that used to be for tourists. They closed it and just don't let people stop there. And I don't think it's a good idea. That's not very smart, because people then need to stop next to the road, look for parking. They should facilitate the tourist traffic here, not complicate it. And they do it completely the opposite. They blocking all parkings here. They basically closed all parkings here next to the road. Impossible to park the car. How tourists can come to the church? I don't understand what is their intention. In Iceland, they were assisting the tourists. They facilitated the traffic. They made parkings next to the volcano and made infrastructure. But here they do the opposite thing. They complicate the traffic, tourist traffic, blocking all the parkings as much as possible. And I don't understand. Well, anyway. So some houses got damaged here. You see, so this red villa that is in the middle, surrounded by lava. Those are banana plantations. You see it's Laguna village and Laguna Montana. Lava spilled next to that village, but here it stopped in front of the church. And you see, La Laguna church is here, stopped in front of the church. It is believed to be a miracle. So this is Tahuya church, and this is Aridane Valley, and this is Montaña Triana, and Los Llanos, city of Los Llanos is there. So we will be going as Montana Gamez. This is Caldera de Taburiente there, so And this is volcano today. That's how it looks. See, smoking, smoking, smoking. Lots of ash. We had some earthquakes, but not strong ones, last night. Okay, we'll be moving down to the car now, and I wish you all the best. Be well, God bless you. Volcano on December 7th.